Hello dear friends, I'm Violetta from Crafting with Vieux. Today we are going to continue working on our snowflakes. We want our snowflakes to look professionally finished, and therefore we are going to add borders to the edges of the snowflakes. So let's start working on the first border design, which is very easy one. It's just one round of single crochet stitches that will be used to lock these double crochets down. As you can see in this sample right now, this last row of double crochets stand up like this because they're actually sitting on top of this single crochet row. And you see how it all moves up. So we are going to lock them down like this by using a locking stitch. So let's start with a slip knot on your crochet hook, and then let's make single crochet into the corner stitch, which in this design it's a chain stitch. So single crochet into the back loop of the chain, then single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, and now we have this row of double crochets that we want to lock. So let's work. Insert the hook into the back loop of the double crochet and then into the back loop of the single crochet stitch right below, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Now work as if you were making a double crochet, which is yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so now we have this single crochet that locked with a single crochet stitch 2 rounds below, and let's make some more, and I will show you the result. Okay, so single crochet, so sorry, hook into the back loop of the double crochet, hook into the back loop of the single crochet below, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's do it again. Insert the hook into the back loop of the double crochet, hook into the back loop of the single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So let's do several more of these stitches. Do not make them too tight, okay? You don't need to squish the double crochet stitches. So this way we are going to lock these double crochets down so they don't go like flip up as I showed you in the beginning. So several more so that you can see the difference. You can use the same color as the last row around on your snowflake. Like I could have used white if you don't want this contrasting line around it. You don't really need to do this if you plan to attach the snowflakes together, but if you want to use them as a separate pieces for as placemats, then I really recommend you do that. So almost finished this row. Okay, and now you can see the result. This row of double crochets flip around, and this one is sitting straight right on the table. It doesn't go up, and also because you created some more stitches in the back, it created some kind of thicker edge. It really looks very, very pretty and professional. So you can continue finishing this snowflake all the way, and I will get ready to start to show you the next border design. Now let's work on the second border design. For this you are going to start with a contrast color. Start with a slip knot on your hook, and then into the first corner stitch of your snowflake. Corner stitch is the chain stitch in this particular design. So a single crochet, then single crochet into the next stitch, and regular single crochets into the back loop of each next stitch. You don't need to use a locking stitch in this round. Okay, so please do this around the whole snowflake. And when you hit the corner, you don't need to increase any stitches, just go on and work into each stitch. So one single crochet into each stitch. So let's finish this round and then I'll show you the second round. Okay, so we finished the first round. Let's close it. Put the hook inside the first stitch from the back like this. Put the loop back onto the hook and pull it onto the back of this snowflake. Make a chain stitch, then grab the contrasting yarn and pull it through this loop, tighten the stitch, the loop, and make a chain stitch. Okay, so now we are going to start with the corner increase, single crochet, chain, single crochet into the first stitch of this round, or of the previous round, single crochet, chain, single crochet, and then single crochets all the way until the next side. So let's do it. And once you arrive here, you see the single crochet that sits on top of the chain. So in this single crochet, you're going to make the increase, single crochet, chain, single crochet, and then into the same stitch, and then continue working the single crochets all the way till the next side. Now let's pause the video, finish this round, and then I'll show you round number 3 for this border design. Third round of this border design, join yarn color A and make the first single crochet stitch into the chain of the previous round, and then single crochets all around this snowflake. And please finish this round and I'll see you back to show you the last round of this border design. So the last round of this border, please join yarn color B and make the corner increase into the first stitch in the previous round. Single crochet, chain, single crochet into the same stitch. Next we're going to work a double crochet into this single crochet 2 rounds below. So double crochet, next single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, then double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and like this all the way until the next side of this snowflake, until the next corner. So now we're here at this corner. We're going to work single crochet, chain, single crochet into the same stitch, and continue working double crochet, single crochet, double crochet all the way around this snowflake. So don't forget, you need to make a corner increase, single crochet, chain, single crochet on each corner. So in each single crochet that is made into the chain 2 rounds below. And I'll show you, please finish this round and I'll show you how you close this round. So this last round is done and we're going to close it this way. We're going to cut the yarn, pull this loop out of the stitch, insert the hook into the back of the first stitch of this round, pull this yarn onto the back, then insert the hook into the back loop of the last stitch of this round, yarn over the hook and pull it onto the back, and then make a knot using a yarn tail in the back, and then use a tapestry needle to weave in all these yarn tails in the back. And here your beautiful placemat is done. Now you can use these pieces of these snowflakes with this border to connect them together and make a blanket. I will show you how to do that in my next tutorial. Or if you want, you can continue and make this kind of border for your snowflake. In this case, you don't need to do this closing in the back, just continue working as usually. So let me untie this knot and we will continue working on the new border design. So for the next round, please join yarn color A, and the first stitch will be a double crochet stitch into the front loop of the stitch 2 rounds below, and then single crochets, 1 2 3 4 single crochets, starting with this second single crochet of this increase group. So right here, 1 single, 2 single, 3 single, 4 single crochets, and then double crochet. Then 3 single crochets, double crochet, 3 single crochets, double crochet, 3 single crochets, double crochet, 3 single crochets. So like this we continue all the way until the next corner. We're almost there. Double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4 single crochets, and now double crochet, 4 single crochets. So we start working on the next side, and like this all the way around this snowflake. So please finish this round. Okay, so next round, please join yarn color B, and let's start with the corner increase into the back loop of this double crochet stitch, single crochet, chain, single crochet, 2 more single crochets, 1 and 2, then double crochet, 3 single crochets, 1 2 and 3, then double crochet, 3 single crochets, double crochet, 3 singles, and like this all the way until the next corner. 3, oops, I split the yarn here, 3 single crochets, double crochet, 3 single crochets, double crochet, 3 more singles, double, then 2 single crochets, and we will start all over again with a single crochet, chain, single crochet into the same stitch, 2 more single crochets, and then continue double, 3 singles, double, 3 singles, all the way till the end of the next side, and then do it again and again, and then I'll see you back for the next round of this border. So next round, please join yarn color A, and we will start with a double crochet into the double crochet right here below, then 5 single crochets, oops, 1 2 3 4 5, then double crochet, 3 single crochets, double crochet into the double crochet, 3 single crochets, double crochet, 3 singles, and like this all the way until the next side, until the next corner, 3 singles, double, and here 5 single crochets to finish this side, and we will repeat the same pattern 5 more times. Double crochet, then 5 single crochets, then double crochet, 3 singles, and so on and so on. Please finish this round, and I'll see you back after you finish it. Okay, so the last round is done. Let's work on the new one. Please join yarn color B, and let's do the corner increase single crochet, chain, single crochet into the back loop of this double crochet. Next, double crochet into the first single crochet stitch right here, then single crochet, then double crochet, then single crochet, double crochet, and like this all the way until the next corner of this snowflake. So the previous round is finished. Please join yarn color A, and this will be the last round of this snowflake. So we're going to start with a single crochet into the back loop of the chain, and then single crochet into each single crochet stitch. The same thing that we did in this round. Now, if you want to use this snowflake with this border as a separate piece, such as a placemat, for example, then I recommend you that you lock all the double crochets, actually single crochets in the back, by inserting the hook into the back loop of the double crochet, then into the back loop of the single crochet below, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then next stitch is a regular single crochet, and next stitch is a locking single crochet stitch. So we're going to lock this double crochet, then single crochet, then locking stitch. You don't need to do this if you intend to use this piece as a pillow cover, for example. There is no need, but if you want it to lay flat on the table, then it's better to do this kind of stitch. So you can see when you will put it on the table, it will lay flat, whereas if you don't do it, it will stay up like this, you see? Okay, so I'm going to continue working just regular single crochets, because I'm going to make a pillow cover using these and these snowflakes together. So we're still working single crochets all the way around. Oops. I hope that you like this video, and I really hope that you made something very pretty. I want to see that. I'm very, very curious. Please share your pictures on our Facebook or in your Instagram. If you put the pictures in your Instagram, please tag my name so I can see what you've made. And please finish this round. And to close this round, we will do the same thing when we cut the yarn and pull it out of the stitch and pull it through the stitch to make a pretty closure.